Hello there, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Real Estate Manager template. So the first thing that you see when you duplicate this template is this dashboard that has three main databases: the properties database, the transactions database, and the clients database. So let's start with the properties database. So as you can see here, each property has a name, a status, available, under negotiation, rented, under maintenance, sold, off market. Owner, that is a relation with the clients database, a type if it's a residential or commercial, a location, that is a text property, the size of the property, the price, and photos of the property. And this same database has multiple views. So when we put a property into sold, if we go to sold, we can see all the properties that has been sold. So this way we can hide them from the actual view. We can see the off-market ones, a gallery view of all the properties by their photos, and a list of all the properties without any filter. Now, if we open one of the properties, we can also see all the transactions made in this property. For example, we can see that we do have one transaction made for this property that has been completed. The client is Michael Davis, the type is a sale, the date is October, and here is the price here. Now let's move on to the transactions database. As you can see here, each transaction has a name, a status, pending, completed, the property, that is a relation with the properties database, a client, that is also a relation to the clients database, the type if it's a sale or a rent, a date, and the price as well. And once we put a transaction into completed, it's gonna disappear from this view and will be appearing on the done transaction. And if we go to the list of all the transactions, we can see the transactions without any filtering. Now let's move on to the clients database. As you can see here, each client has a name, a phone, an email, a type, and the type is a buyer, seller, or renter. If we open one of the clients, we can see that we can have a list of all the transactions made for him and all the properties that he owns. If we open another client, we can see that this client has a transaction that is pending, and he is an owner of this property. So yeah, this is all for this template, and see you in the next video.